Okay, so this is a video of how I do screenshots in IPython in my basic workflow. I rely heavily on Sketch. Alright, this is the Sketch interface. All little pictures you can see, but let's say I just wanted to add a screenshot. I got a keyboard shortcut. I want that picture, I capture it. Then you can share and copy URL. What I've actually got it set up is it automatically grabs a HTML so that I could paste it in there. So this is what it looks like, the code. I just obtained a raw text so you could see it. But if you mark down, you hit Shift Enter, then the picture shows up there. I host them on Eagle because I want to share these and have access to the image. The other thing you could do actually is use Markdown the way it's meant to be, where you do this code and this is just a word, so this is a photo, and then you put the URL in parentheses. Close the parentheses. Make sure it's in Markdown. There's also a keyboard shortcut to make it Markdown, and it does not work. Well, when I pasted the URL, I forgot the end, and so there's another way of using Markdown to put a picture in. One valuable thing I like about using this is you can actually put in other HTML parameters. So if you only wanted to show 50%, change the code, width equals 25%. You could use pixels or any of the basic commands with the image tag in HTML. So there you go, it's 25%. You can point to local files. The only issue with that is they would have to be accessible online if you wanted to share your notebook and have somebody see it. I do that sometimes, and you put an image in the img subdirectory, and I push it to GitHub, and I could do that, and you would really just use this syntax, but instead of a URL, you would just use a direct file path. I'll show you an example of that here. I don't do that. Here it is. So I do this. I don't do this often because I take so many screenshots. I don't want to junk up GitHub with all these random pictures. But that code is locally on in this particular case, on my computer, but also in my GitHub where I publish my notebook. In the subdirectory, there's that same picture. So if you were to look at that one online, it's going to render, and it's going to be hosted in GitHub. I just don't see I have so many that I put them on our NAS, but you could also put them on Dropbox. So anyway, that's how I use screenshots in my workflow.